PT1 litty. Popping this back at 250.
It's gonna be good.
Today we back with
My name is Voyo.
okay Zuya Nishap.
Then right now.
And then the sharp. Rukonyaga okay, radio Rizz out of 10.
I would probably say about a 4.
Hell no, man. What?
Kodo test the Rizz yanu.
Sure.
Kumuza.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. So I would probably like to know your name actually.
What?
I would like to know.
Look at this
My
dude.
name is EP.
Okay. if
What's
you like to
yours?
know- My name is Voyo, by the way.
Nice name.
So I wanna know, like, would you date a gent like me?
Bruh. Look at this dude.
Yeah, I think, I'm not sure.
Okay, you think so?
You gotta give me reasons.
What are the possibilities of you and me actually making out? 'Cause, like, what I'm looking at, it's like an angel, because I feel like I'm already dead right now. I feel like I'm halfway in heaven.
Yeah, halfway in heaven.
Yeah.
Well, my chances with you, I don't know. It's not giving me a reason. Give me the vibe.
The vibe.
Yeah.
Okay. So I want you to come cook for me actually.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Can't you cook?
Nah, because I just want to know what tastes better between you and the food.
Hell no, man.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
My sister. Well, take a wild guess which tastes better, like, before you even do it, like,
Yeah, but my chances are on you because I
Hell
want to know
no.
what tastes better. You or the food.
that's for you to know. That's for you to find out.
I mean, it's all right. Like,
Out.
Nice.
Okay, so can we find out today?
I mean, give me a chance, give me a location.
Okay. Before we end the whole thing, can I actually say get a hug?
Yeah. PT1 litty. Popping this back at 250.